Jet 1 Extreme Oil Enhancer is an anti-friction motor oil additive. It is a nanotechnology where certain elements are in molecular scale. Therefore, it enables it to penetrate the molecular pores of any metal surfaces. By adding Jet 1 Extreme Oil Enhancer to various motor oils on the market, it greatly enhances its ability to protect engine internal parts and also gives a boost on its performance. This is a friction machine. It will simulate an example of a metal-to-metal contact, which also occurs inside our engine. You can see that when two metals in motion made contact, grinding occurs, and with certain amount of force, it stops the metal from moving. That is because of friction. And with friction, elevated heat and abrasion also occurs, which causes the failure of an engine. Because of the force and friction resisting the relative motion of metals, lubricants are created, and in case of an engine, motor oils are used. Motor oils are very good products for lubricating our engines. It is necessary to lessen the friction and to prevent further damage on metals, but what will happen if we apply extreme pressure on it? With an increased pressure, we can see that it still cannot prevent friction, and due to that, damage in engine will still be experienced from time to time. What if we can do something more? By adding Jet 1 Extreme Oil Enhancer, we can see that it can get into the molecular pores of metal, thus preventing the excessive damage of engine due to minimal amount of friction. You can also notice the difference in sound. You can observe the smoothness of it by using Jet 1. Water contamination can occur inside the engine due to condensation process. By using Jet 1, let's see if water can break the structure of the oil. We will then demonstrate how it effectively works in case of oil leakage. This also illustrates how it can effectively protect the engine during the startup period, where most of the damage is taking place, because the oil is not yet properly circulated. One of the major concerns in terms of oil quality is its ability to withstand extreme temperature during engine operation. Let's put it in a test by directly exposing it on fire. You can observe that despite of the situation, Jet 1 Extreme Oil Enhancer maintains the protection of the engine.